literacy skill sheet. In that, what is our topic? Our topic is sound of U. Sound of U. Read and learn the words with sound of U. Okay, now we will read this and you also have to repeat after me. Okay, beta? H-U-T, hut. C-U-T, cut. N-U-T, nut. B-U-T, but. Next, M-U-G, mug. H-U-G, hug. B-U-G, bug. T-U-G, tug. Next, S-U-N, sun. R-U-N, run. F-U-N, fun. B-U-N, bun. Yes. Next, C-U-G, cub. P-U-P, puff. U-P, up. S-U-P, sup. T-U-B, tub. C-U-B, cub. B-U-B, dub. H-U-B, hug. Very good, my dear students. Now we will trace these words. Okay, beta? Now you have to take pencil in your hand and you have to trace with pen. Okay? Write words with similar sound. It is already written. We will trace this. Okay? Here B-U-D, but. M-U-D, mud. P-U-D, but. And C-U-D, cut. Okay, beta? Now we will write M-U-D, mud. Yes, you have to write. P-U-D, bird. Yes, and C-U-D. Okay, beta? Now here G-U-M, gum. Here M-U-M, mum. S-U-M, some. B-U-M, bum. Okay, we will write M-U-M, mum. S-U-M, some. And B-U-M, bum. Okay, beta? The rest is your fun work.
Yes, students, here practice time. Write the correct word for each picture. Take help from the help box. You have to look at the picture and you have to write the correct word from this given help box. Okay, this is jug. So you have to identify what is this, students? Is this sun? No. Then heart. So we will write H S U T. Heart. HUT. Heart. Now students, what is this? I know. You know the answer. Yes. SUN. Sun. So we will write. Yes. S U N. Sun. Very good. Here, pup. P-U-P, pup. So what is this, students? Tell me. Tell me. Yes. Duck. So here, D U C K. Duck. Okay. And what is this? Yes. M-U-G. Mug. So we will write M-U-G. Mug. Nice. This is nut. So look at the picture and tell me what is this? Yes. T-U-B. Tub. Bathtub. Okay. So T yes U B. Tub. Yes. And see students, what is this? Yes. B-U-D. Bird. फ्लावर की जो कली होती है उसको हम बोलेंगे bird. B-U-D. Bird. So B-U-D. B-U-D. Bird. Yes students, rhyming words. Now write the word that rhymes with the given word. Okay. Now here bug. So you have to tell me bug. What is this? Bug. Yes. Mug. So we will write. You also have to write with me. Okay. M-U-G. Mug. Yes. Next is hut. Hut. Yes. Nut. N-U-T. Nut. Very nice. Run. Sun. S-U-N. Very nice. Pup. Yes. Then cup. C-U-P. Cup. Then truck. Duck. Yes. D-U-C-K. Duck. Yes. Then here bun. Gun. Yes. G-U-N. Gun. Very good, my dear students.
Yes students, we will meet in our next class. Till then, bye.